Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Well, sort of, in my kitchen today. Yesterday, I did two items that I prepared. In the morning, I prepared, I'm looking at my notes, Asian cucumber salad. This wonderful little dish has become a favorite here in the Tomozik household. The weather is getting better and getting hotter and warmer. So we like to break these out during the warmer months. Oh, it's very simple. I did use the mandolin to slice up the English cucumber. And I substituted, because I have it now, which I purchased several months ago, chili powder from my favorite Indian market. So instead of using like a cayenne, which is more American, I use the Indian chili powder, which is more Asian. So they got in the cold box. They were very good. We use these for snacking. You can add them as a side onto a dish, but we use them for snacking. As Robin was preparing her lunch this morning, she asked me if she wanted me, and I quote, "Do you want me to leave you any?" Unquote. And I looked at her, glared at her, and I said, "Of course leave me some," because she would have taken them all. All right. For dinner last night, I prepared, I'm going to look at my notes, because I'm going to slaughter this again, Caldillo de Chile Verde, which basically is a braised beef over a few hours with lots of different peppers. I used 3 different varieties of peppers and tomatillos, and I served it over egg noodles. I didn't want to serve rice 2 nights in a row, so I served it over egg noodles. It was very good. I'll get the recipe up for both of these. Today, instead of tacos, I'm doing nachos. Yes, I know they're not Mexican. They were actually invented here in the United States. But I'm going to have fun with this because I'm actually going to be blending my own seasoning blend, and I'm not getting the cheese sauce out of a jar. Let's take a look. Got the hardware going. Cheese sauce, ground meat. So for the ground meat, I'm using ground elk, garlic, probably diced up about not quite a half of this red pepper, red onion. Sorry, wow, it's like Monday again. The seasoning mix is ground pasilla chili, Mexican paprika, cumin powder, ground oregano, a touch of cayenne, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and sea salt. I'll make a batch of that for the meat seasoning. The cheese sauce is Velveeta based, milk, crystal hot sauce, paprika, some chili powder, a little bit of flour for thickening, some butter, and some peppers. The peppers are actually just only get sauteed in the butter, and then they're to get the essence of the flavor, and then the peppers themselves are removed. Of course, that'll be served over corn chips. We'll be adding pico de gallo, kind of like tomatoes, but you can get the other goodies in there. I love pickled jalapenos, and of course, sour cream. Robin and I debated on beans and some other toppings, but we just kind of wanted to keep it simple. So actually, let me show you something. That is the plate for tonight. You can see by the size of my hand. Now, what Robin and I will do, I will prepare this in a big old thing of nachos, and Robin and I will share it. We'll put it between us, and we'll just dig in. Yes. So that's my Taco Tuesday. It's nacho night. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.